Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a Surfshark tutorial for beginners. Essentially, I'm going to be giving you everything that you need to know about how to get started with Surfshark VPN. From the initial setup to daily use, all the way through its core features and the advanced settings. So if you don't already have Surfshark or you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click the link in the description right below and grab the current best deal on Surfshark VPN. Whether you want to continue with a monthly, 1 year or 2 year basis, there is a plan that will best suit your needs. So to get started, you want to visit surfshark.com or click on the link in the description. Choose one of the plans that you would like to have. We will cover the pricing later on in this video. And then you want to fill in your email and password and select a payment method. Once you confirm your purchase, you will see a download application section, or you can simply navigate to the applications and download your application on Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone or Android, whatever device that you are currently on. And then you can launch the application and log directly into your email. Once you download it, you can launch the Surfshark application. Use the same email and password that you registered on the website. And then when you first open the application, the dashboard will look like this. As you can see, it's pretty intuitive. You will see the quick connect button, and if you click on that, it will find the fastest server based on load and proximity. This is your go-to for instant protection. You will see your connection status as it will show you your new IP, connection duration, and the data transferred. If you choose to, you can disconnect or pause the connection as the power icon ends your session, and the pause icon will temporarily suspend VPN without closing the app. If you would like to, you can search any servers between the UK, Japan, or any keyword to filter through hundreds of countries. You can also check the server load and the ping that appear next to each server, helping you pick the best balance of speed and distance. Now, after clicking Quick Connect, you can click on the locations on the country list and then search or browse for manual location change. Watch your IP and your geo details update instantly at the top. You can also click the star next to any server to bookmark it for one-click access. So as you can see, I have Sweden that is bookmarked. Now, after connecting to a server, if you want to confirm or verify the connection, for example, you can visit a website like ipleak.net or dnsleaktest.com to confirm that your real IP and DNS servers are hidden, or you can open Netflix or BBC iPlayer to confirm your region unlocking. So once again, if you like all of these features and you would like to change your location, access different regions, or browse safely with a different IP, then go ahead and navigate to the link below in the description and grab the absolute best deal available on Surfshark VPN. Now, if you are on mobile, the layout mirrors the desktop. You simply open the application, click Quick Connect for auto selection, or tap the locations at the bottom to choose manually. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and talk about some of the core features that you can have with Surfshark, and starting with the specialty servers. These servers can give you a static IP, so you can get the same IP every single time you connect. And this is perfect for IP-restricted sites like banking or remote work. We also have the multi-hop, so you can chain your traffic through 2 servers for double encryption, and this can be ideal for very sensitive browsing at the expense of speed. I would say that your speed would drop between 20 to 30%. And then we have the no borders, as you can automatically detect restrictive networks and connects you to servers optimized to bypass VPN blocks. Obfuscated servers, which makes VPN traffic look like everyday HTTPS, breaks through censorship in China, UAE, and restricted networks, and the P2P servers, which are optimized for torrenting with the best speed and stability. We also have the in-app clean web, as you can block ads, trackers, and malicious websites at the network level whenever the VPN is active. And for the independent ad and tracker blocker for Chrome or Firefox, you can get the browser extension Clean Web 2.0. This will be working even when your VPN is off, but keeping your browser protected. This is absolutely ideal for 24/7 browser protection. Now, if you have the one plan, you can get additional tabs such as the antivirus, data breach alert, Surfshark search, incognito, which gives you an optional add-on screens for your personal data across hundreds of data broker sites, and automatically submits removal requests on your behalf. When it comes to some essential security settings, we have the kill switch button, so you can navigate to the settings and then VPN or kill switch, and this will block all internet access if VPN disconnects. And we have the app kill switch, which blocks only selected applications, which is perfect for torrent clients or messaging apps. And now we're going to talk about the protocol selection. So when it comes to Surfshark, we've got the WireGuard protocol, which is the fastest modern protocol, great for streaming or gaming and bulk downloads. OpenVPN, which is a reliable fallback if WireGuard is blocked, and we have the automatic, which is when we let Surfshark choose the best option. We also have the bypasser or the split tunneling, as you can include or exclude applications or websites from VPN. For example, you can exclude your banking applications so it can use your real IP, while the torrenting traffic stays encrypted. Another important feature is the auto connect and the trusted networks. If you would like to, you may enable the auto connect on untrusted Wi-Fi. That way you ensure that you're always protected in coffee shops or airports. And then if you would like to, you can launch on startup. That way Surfshark secures you before any application can leak any data. And finally, I want to talk about the pricing for Surfshark. So for that, we've got 3 different plans on 3 different bases. Surfshark Starter goes at $15.45 per month, includes a VPN and an alternative ID. Surfshark 1 at $17.95 per month includes the VPN, alternative ID, antivirus, alerts, and the search. If you would like to view all of the different features specifically for each plan, then go ahead and navigate to surfshark.com/pricing and then click on the view all features for more details. But the most expensive plan on a monthly basis is at $20.65 per month and gives you all of the different features that I mentioned in this video. However, if you would like to seriously save a lot of money, then you can go for the 1-year basis, and that way you can end up saving up to 79% on the first plan and up to 71% on the Surfshark 1 Plus. If you want the absolute best deal out there, then you can go for the 2-year basis and save 87%, get plus 3 extra months. That way your price goes down from $417 all the way down to $53. And the great thing is that you can easily get started with any one of these plans at any basis that you would like. And if you end up changing your mind or disliking the service, then you can easily get a 30-day money-back guarantee. That way you can test out this VPN, get a feel for it, and if you don't like it, then you have no risk. So if you would like to give Surfshark a shot, go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video, sign up for an account, and then get one of these plans for a 30-day money-back guarantee. And let us know what you think of Surfshark after having tested it for a month. And that will be your complete Surfshark tutorial for beginners. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you have found this video to be helpful and informative to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.